One, this is my Wiki project application, a Django-based project that allows users to view, search, create, and edit encyclopedia's entries. First, on my home page, as we can see, we have some entries, CSS, Django, Git, and so on. When I click on one entry, it takes me to the content of the entry. When I click on Django and so on, it takes me to the content on the entry. And also, one thing that we noticed is that it follows the pattern wiki slash title pattern, and here the title is HTML, and same wiki slash JavaScript, title is JavaScript, wiki slash Django, title is Django. So when we are inside the entry content, we can see that the content displayed on the page has a proper HTML formatting because the Markdown has been converted to HTML format. Like when we go to Python, we can see the bold text, the heading, or when we go to HTML, we can see the list and the paragraph. Everything is well presented. Now, for the links, for example, when I try to type a non-existing entry, let's say SQL, for example, it will take me to an error page, and it will tell me that the entry SQL is not found. Next, let's go on the right side of our home page, and let's start with the search. Okay, for example, let's search for CSS. It takes me directly to the CSS page. Let's search Python. It takes me directly to the Python page. Let's search for JavaScript. Take me directly to the JavaScript page. And for example, if I search for, let's say, ITO, it will show me the entry that have this content, ITO, right? And we can directly go to the Python page, and for example, CS, it will show me the entry, and so on, Go, Django, and so on. Next, let's let's create a new page, and we have the title and the content. Let's create SQL, for example, and let's create SQL, and easy. Let's say SQL is a standard language. Standard language for database creation. All right, now let's save the page, and here we are. We see the page is created, and at the same time we can try to edit the page. For example, let's edit the page. SQL, let's add more content, and manipulation, and let's save the change, and you can see the change is saved and updated. At the same time, we can also do the same thing for GitHub. GitHub is an amazing version control, blah blah blah, and you see it's been updated. So next is the random page. and it directly takes us to any random page like Git, JavaScript, CSS, and so on. So thank you for watching my presentation and see you next time.